worth it. I'ma break it down, then I'ma work it. You call it music, I call it a purpose. I'm drinking and swerving, but stay in my lane. All this Twitter talking niggas be lame. Number one, a nigga beast at the game. Fucking on who? Yo, what's good, Tag Team Squad? This your boy Jay.
And your boy Chris.
And together we a Tag Team Reaction back with another banger. Y'all, we got something special, you know what I'm saying? We about to get into another Afrobeat. We've been getting into Afrobeats lately, and we've been listening to some great artists. Now, this is an artist we haven't actually reacted to before.
I'm actually looking them up. I'm trying to see some information.
So this is Kizz, Daniel, and Empire. The name of the song is called Cough. Seems to be very, very popular, man. It's been released, like a month ago, and it's already at like 25 million views. So why not jump on the train and see what this song is all about? You know, I'm all for it. And like I said, we with the Afrobeat-ish. So,
yeah.
Anything you want to say?
No, I'm just looking up his information right now, but I'm going to get into it after we get off this. So I want to see this video. He's a pretty cool artist is saying on there, stuff like that. He's like 28 years old. I think I got it right.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't want to hold you up with being on my phone and stuff, but yeah, we want to get into some more Afrobeat. So this is Kizz, Daniel, Empire, Cough. Let's get into it, because Empire is a feature?
I believe so.
Right,
I believe so. I'm not sure.
Let's do it.
Alright, go.
Hey.
I want to flex my love.
Hey.
I want to press. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
Look at her taking it up. Yo!
It don't matter where you at, just ooh, okay, hey.
I love that.
You know that my body calling and your body picking. Loving you, they make me forget, say I get problem. By the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love.
Yo, you see that formation? That's kind of dope. This is very happy music to me. I love it.
I love the fact that they chilling, they vibing.
What'd you say?
No, I'm saying I love the fact that they chilling
Chilling and vibing. It looks like
they
a good
mattress
time.
is on the ground, for God's sake.
They happy, bro.
They vibing,
All
yo.
you need is some love and some good people.
I need to go find me
By
one
the end
of
of
those.
the night, enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love to a place she loves. I'm a man, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
Hey, back it, hey.
Who the f is your bestie? Danny bro.
Hey.
You don't want to find my trouble. Enter bathroom, fresh up. She na me you come to when your heartbreak, push and she heartbreak. Na me the bite dinner for your man thing. Enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love, and I want to carry my love away.
I love this. Look at this shit. This is beautiful music to me. It makes me happy. I gotta just rewind this just because.
Enter bathroom, fresh up. She na me you come to when your heartbreak, push and she heartbreak.
That's so cool how they did that.
Enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love,
Hey, pause.
and I want to carry my love
Hey.
to a place she loves. I'm a man. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. bathroom, fresh up.
This just makes me love. I love this.
See, this is
Everybody
crazy.
be talking about going to all these other places, man. I'm about to go out there to Nigeria, y'all.
I bet it's so nice. That's where B Chanel was, bro.
Man, I'm
she
about
want
to
to
go out
leave. It was
there.
like 2 weeks she was in there. I was watching
I'm
her.
about to go slide out the shout out.
That was awesome.
Great
I
video.
can't tell you exactly what the song was about, but I know I was happy as shit. I'm sorry, he got thick accent, but I really want to look up the lyrics. That's why I tried to put the captions on if you guys see. But this was awesome. I really, really like this song. And it was a certain vibe. It made me happy as hell. Like, you cannot be happy to that, bro.
It's like, yo, anytime you hear Afro beats, you just literally get in the mood to dance. I don't care if you understand it or not. It's just the beat, the melody, the rhythm.
He's from Abeokuta, Nigeria.
I knew it.
Abeokuta.
All of these bangers are from Nigeria, yo. We gotta go out there because I know the moment I land there in the plane or whatever, decide to take there, I'm gonna hear some music and I'm gonna...
Yo, he's 28 years old, man. He was born in 1994. That's crazy.
That's crazy, but
That
the
shit
video
nice.
was even crazier, man.
The
I
video
liked
was amazing, man.
The energy in the video and everything. It just was dope. And
Just
of course, our beautiful black queens.
oh,
looking
fucking
all
melanin
pretty,
goddesses just
so
tooting
fine,
that. Hey,
just
hey.
getting it.
Just this, it's the sort of movements that get me to be like,
And they just, it's there already. They not even trying. It's part of them.
I love that shit. That's awesome. That video would make me happy, and I wanna live in a mansion and have my mattress still on the floor, so I know I'm humble. Look at that.
They ain't care. They just was having fun. They standing on top of wooden tables and stuff that was just carved out.
One thing I will say, I like that it's not super hyper masculine where the guys can't. They were doing this
Yeah,
in
they
the
was
video.
trying
The
to
guys
move.
were actually popping.
I was
too.
getting
It
into. I was like, boom.
yeah, like it's a dance and like it's a culture. It's like crazy, man. I just want to be able to visit there.
Yeah,
and,
I
like,
dare y'all to
have a
go
good
up there and
time
say
and
something
dance.
about one of them dudes throwing that over there. Watch what happens.
But yeah, this was awesome. If you guys like this video as much as we did, please
Go ahead and hit us with the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button while you at it. And if you want to know when we drop more bangers, smash that noti bell. But once again, this has been Tag Team Reaction, and we out.
Been smoking all day and